If a country goes bankrupt, what people should do?
Okay, so this might sound dramatic, but can a country actually run out of money?
It sounds scary, but yes, countries can reach a point where they can't pay their debts.
Like a person going broke?
Very similar, just on a much bigger scale. And when it happens, ordinary people feel it the most. So today, let's break down why countries go bankrupt, what it means for regular people, and what you should actually do if it happens.
So what does it technically mean when a country goes bankrupt?
It usually means the government can't repay its debt or struggles to meet its financial obligations. They might miss payments, print more money, ask for international help. This situation is often called a sovereign debt crisis.
Oh, so the country doesn't disappear, it just enters financial trouble.
Exactly. Life goes on, but the economy becomes unstable.
All right, this is what I really want to know. How does a country even reach that point?
Great question. There's usually not just one reason. It's a mix of problems building over time. Common reasons countries go bankrupt are: first, too much debt. Governments borrow heavily to fund spending. If debt grows faster than the economy, repayment becomes difficult. Second, weak economy. If businesses slow down and unemployment rises, tax revenue drops, but expenses don't. Third, currency problems. If a country's currency loses value, repaying foreign debt becomes more expensive. Fourth is political instability. Uncertainty scares investors, making borrowing more expensive or impossible. And the fifth, but not the last one, is sudden crises. Wars, pandemics, or financial crashes can quickly strain government finances.
So it's usually a slow buildup, not an overnight collapse.
Exactly. It's more like pressure building until something breaks.
This is the scary part. But what does it actually feel like for regular people?
Here are the most common effects. Impact on citizens. Prices rise quickly, also known as inflation. Jobs become less secure. Government services may be cut. Currency loses value and savings lose purchasing power.
So even if you didn't do anything wrong, your money can suddenly be worth less, right?
Exactly. That's why economic crises feel so personal.
Yes, this is the part everyone cares about. Then what should normal people actually do?
The key is not to panic, but to be prepared. Smart steps individuals can take. First, diversify savings. Don't keep all wealth in one form of cash. Having multiple assets reduces risk. Second, reduce high-interest debt. During unstable times, debt becomes harder to manage. Third, build an emergency fund. Cash reserves help during job or income disruptions. Fourth, focus on skills and income stability. Skills that stay in demand provide security even in tough economies. And the fifth one is avoid panic decisions. Selling everything or making rushed moves can often make things worse.
So it's less about predicting collapse and more about being financially flexible.
Yes, resilience matters more than prediction.
Do countries recover from bankruptcy?
Most do, eventually. Economies can restructure debt, stabilize currency, and rebuild growth. But recovery takes time, and that's why preparation matters for individuals.
So the real lesson is, a country going bankrupt doesn't mean life stops, but it does mean uncertainty rises.
Exactly. And the best protection is understanding how the system works and keeping your finances adaptable.
I feel like this is one of those topics everyone should understand before a crisis happens.
Absolutely. And that's the goal. Learn before you need it. If you found this helpful, subscribe our channel for more simple breakdowns of money, economics, and real-world finance. Thank you for watching.